Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Carmen and today I have for you a luxury unboxing. I want to share with you my unboxing and how I obtained it. I recently received a text from one of my essays from Neiman Marcus saying that Dior had a shoe sale going on. It's really hard to come across a pair of Dior shoes on the consignment websites. So usually they're in a smaller size or they're just not many on the website. And my favorite website is Fashion File. So when my essay texted me that Dior was having a shoe sale, I was like, yes, send me a picture of what you have available. And I will pop up a picture right here to share with you the items that he sent me that were on sale. Without further ado, let's get into this unboxing because that's what you're here for, right? I got my little elf hat on. What do you think? Are we elfish? So here is the box. And here is my trusty dusty, what is this called? Box cutter. And let's get right into it. That way. And here is the box. Should I tell you the name of the shoe right now? Or should I wait? Let's wait. Ooh, and it was a sale. Here's the tissue paper and it has Dior printed all over the tissue paper. Here are the shoes. This is my new pair of Dior pumps, Dior. Okay, hold on. So what I was looking for is the dust bag, and there is no dust bags. That's very odd. So here are the pumps. They are in a canvas material. There are ribbing all over the bottom portion of the shoe. And then we have the contrasting white material that says Dior. I love them. I picked them up in a 39.5. The heel height is 100. Okay. Have the Dior and then the star, and then it says made in Italy, and then the shoe size is a 39.5. For US, that's like a 9.5. And I typically wear a 9, but due to the pointy toe, I wanted the extra half of an inch, just to make sure that my toes are not, squished up at the top of the toe area. And in the inside, it says Christian Dior Paris. Printed on the side, it says NE 05 19 39.5. I don't think you'll be able to see that inside, but okay, so let me get you the name of the shoe. The name of the shoe is called the Embroidered Fab J'adore Pump. It retails for $1,090 and I picked it up for $704. Yes, that's a sale. That's better than shopping consignment online price. So I'm happy that I picked them up. That is the printed shoe box. And here is my packing slip. And it just tells me the description, J'adore. It has my name, my address, and then the color is 900 Noir black. And it says 9.5 which is the 39.5, and the price $704. So let me go and try these on for you. Well, that was a quick unboxing, right? What did you think? I love them. I'm wearing them right now. I was not expecting these are really nice. I wasn't expecting the canvas material. I could not tell from the picture that my essay sent me, but I like them. That was the Dior unboxing. Comment below if you think that I made a great sale purchase. And also, what do you think about my DIOR JADIOR pumps? Let me know in the comments below. If you have not already done so, please subscribe. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you feel that someone you know might benefit in seeing this unboxing, please make sure you share my video. Until the next time, stay classy, stay confident. My name is Carmen, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye-bye.